Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a speedometer gauge in a Toyota Corolla. First, connect an OBD2 scanner to your car's diagnostic port, usually under the dashboard, to check for any stored trouble codes. These codes offer valuable clues. Next, visually inspect your dashboard for any illuminated warning lights, like the check engine or ABS light, as these might indicate related issues. Finally, confirm your battery terminals are clean and tightly secured, ensuring a stable electrical connection for all components. Now, let's focus on the vehicle speed sensor, or VSS. This crucial component is typically located on the transmission housing. Carefully inspect its electrical connector for any signs of corrosion, bent pins, or loose wiring that could interrupt the signal. If you have a multimeter, you can test the sensor's resistance or voltage output according to your car's service manual specifications to determine if it is functioning correctly. A faulty sensor is a common culprit. Next, we'll examine the fuse boxes. Your Toyota Corolla has at least two, one under the hood and another inside the cabin, often near the driver's footwell. Carefully check all fuses related to the instrument cluster, gauges, or engine control unit. A blown fuse, even a small one, can completely disable your speedometer. If fuses are good, the issue might be within the instrument cluster itself, which can be a more complex repair. If you've completed these steps and your speedometer is still not working, it might be time for advanced diagnostics. A professional mechanic has specialized tools to perform more in-depth electrical tests and pinpoint elusive problems. They can accurately diagnose issues with the instrument cluster, wiring harnesses, or the engine control unit. Always ensure any repairs are performed safely and adhere to your Toyota Corolla's manufacturer specifications for optimal performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.